93 dead dinosaurs for the 48. Alright, what is up, blockheads? So, some pretty big news today that I'm going to share with you guys if you haven't heard yet. Just on my way to the post office, and I thought it was pretty fitting to ride the 48 because today Harley-Davidson announced two new models to the Sportster lineup, the Iron 1200 and the 48 Special. Now, my people, my insiders at Harley-Davidson, that is a fluffy freaking steering wheel, Jesus. Yeah, my inside peoples at Harley-Davidson hit me up and basically told me that they were coming out, and so today Harley-Davidson put up all the information on their websites, social media, all that good stuff. And so this is just basically a ride. I'm going to be talking about the bikes, asking you guys what y'all think about them, and I'm going to kind of give you some of my thoughts about them. But in addition to this, I'm also going to be test riding them, so whenever they are ready to go up at Orlando Harley, I'll be throwing a leg over each of them and testing them out, giving you guys my thoughts and feedback as to what I think. Traditional test ride format. Damn, man. Videos aren't in chronological order, but to this Miss Blockhead's 48, we've got an exhaust on the way, but we recently did the high flow air cleaner, and we did the FP3, and man, it really woke this bike up. Like, this thing scoots now. Such a difference. Anyways, back to the original topic. So yeah, Harley-Davidson, they added two new Sportsters, like I said, the Iron 1200 and the 48 Special. Just to kind of go over what they did with these bikes. So the Iron 1200 is exactly what it sounds like. It's a iron styled bike, but with a 1200 engine in it, which is absolutely huge for Harley-Davidson, because one of the top questions that I receive on this channel from people is like basically saying, I like the style of the Iron, but I think I want the power of the 48, but I don't like the small tank on the 48, but I want the power. I'd rather have the bigger tank from the Iron. And so it's kind of like they've given people more options, and that was one of those things that people were either swayed one way or the other. So now you can do an Iron 883, or you can choose an Iron 1200. So you can have the power of the 48, but the look of the Iron, which is pretty damn cool. I mean, because the 1200's a peppy, man. Like, this is a 48. It's a 2010 1200cc engine. Dude, it is pretty peppy. Pretty peppy. After we've done part of the stage one, like I said, air cleaner and tune. Can't wait till the exhaust gets here, man. This thing's gonna be sick. So yeah, the 1200, man, it produces some nice power. So just to kind of go over what they've done, Iron 1200, like I said, throwing the 1200 engine in it. They've kept it very like dark styled, you know, lots of blacked out parts and stuff. Then they've also sorry it comes with mini apes, which I was kind of, I mean, it's better than the previous bars that the Iron used to come with, which was just, you know, your traditional like little bars that came up, tapered upwards. Yeah, so like mini apes, which is all good and well. I'm not a fan of apes, but I'm sure lots of people will really enjoy them, because one of those top requests that we get for mods, like on the channel, you know, people are like, oh, have you ever thought about doing apes? I'm like, eh. So yeah, they're gonna come with apes, solo seat, mag wheels, 5-speed transmission. Unfortunately, I think that's one of the huge things that they could have done to just really put the Iron 1200 over the edge, or hell, the Sportster line over the edge in general, is to add like a 6-speed transmission. Because good God, whenever you're on the interstate and the highway and you're in 5th gear and it is just whining, you kind of kind of really want that 6th gear, but not this time around. You guys will just have to be happy with a 5-speed for now. I'm sure one day they'll do it. That and like to liquid cool the engine, but they still basically stuck with the platform Evolution engine, which is awesome. Super solid engines. What else? Oh yeah, the styling of the bikes. They basically took it back to like some retro styling, 70s AMF style, you know, the gas tanks. Man, it looks really good. I actually am a fan of it. I've been seeing a lot of that style kind of come back recently. You know, people have been getting their tanks, especially like for the Lowrider S. I've seen Dynas and whatnot. People are starting to get their tanks painted like in that old AMF style. So the design of them looks really cool. I'll give you that. I don't know, you guys let me know what you think of the Iron 1200. Like I said, blacked out 1200 engine, still has a 5-speed transmission. That 1200 is going to add some nice power to it though. And then the new styling. And the other new one is the 48 Special, like I said. And basically that one, it's still the same stance as the 48. It's got, you know, the bigger front and rear wheels. Still has a solo seat. Cool thing is that it has mag wheels. I don't know if they previously went over to mag wheels on the 48 before this. I can't remember. I know this one, like I said, I'm riding a 48 here. This one has spokes, which means it has a tube, right? So mag wheels is cool. They did do a lot of chrome on it, which I'm sure some people will like, but I'm not the biggest fan of chrome. So, you know, in terms of like personal preference, chrome, it would just be like a lot of chrome for me to get rid of, because I ain't about that chrome life. Gotta check the mail. Be right back. Cool. We got some packages. Got some stuff from some sponsors from for FXR Dyna Day. If you guys are in the Central Florida area, hell, even if you're out of state, come join us. FXR Dyna Day, March 10th. It's gonna be awesome. At Ace Cafe. That should be a lot of fun. Anyways, yeah, what were we talking about? The 48 Special. The all-new 48 Special. I mean, this 48 is special. I like this 48 a lot, man. It's a sick bike. Come over here. This is the usual little photo spot. Take a quick pic. Can't wait for that exhaust, man. Get rid of this damn thing. See, I was just talking about getting rid of chrome. Can't wait to get rid of this exhaust. But we got one on order. It's on the way. Handmade, baby. Yeah, so just going over it right here. In the new 48 Special, you got the 1200 Evo engine, dark custom style. Yeah, there's a lot of chrome in there though. Throwback 70s custom tank. So that's what the tanks look like. Pretty cool, man. I like them. Bold muscular attitude, bulldog stance. Yep. 49mm front forks. Tall boy handlebars, so not apes. So still a solo seat. This is cool. Emulsion rear shocks with the screw adjuster. That's nice. Nice upgrade for a Sportster especially. And 9-spoke cast aluminum wheels. And then the Iron 1200, just quick features. And the Iron 1200cc Evolution engine, blacked out finishes, 70s tank, cafe solo seat. That's pretty cool. Mini apes, like I was saying. And then mag wheels. So yeah, the 9-spoke cast aluminum wheels. Oh yeah, and the front, the fixed speed screen, kind of like on the Lowrider S, which that's pretty cool. I'll give you that. So yeah, speed screen on it. That's pretty neat. Pretty much like the one that I have, like I said, on the Lowrider S. But yeah, the I think the emulsion shocks on the 48 Special, I think that's pretty cool. Because I mean, those are some good shocks. They're the ones that came stock on my Lowrider S. And then I had to slam it, you know what I'm saying? Really. That's why I need an exhaust. Go, you putz. You're on your cell phone, aren't you? He knows what he did. Not paying attention because he's on the phone. Bastard. Anyways, back to the subject. Oh man, those are pretty. Pretty trees. Smells really nice out. Such a great day to ride, man. February. This is winter. Florida winter. Love it. Anyways, yeah, so basically both the lines, both the new Sportsters have yeah, the new designs, you know, that 70s kind of throwback AMF style, which I think they came out pretty cool. I don't know, I really like the 48 designs back whenever it had, like, it just said 48 real fat on the side of the tank. I really was a big fan of that. And it had that, like, they did the hard candy custom paints. Really big fan of those. Yeah, I think it's a step in the right direction for Harley. I think that a lot of people are really going to like these new models. Like I said, just from as long as I've been involved with this, you know, within this culture, within Harley-Davidson, and, you know, being a personality on YouTube based on motorcycles, I've gotten an absolute ton of questions regarding, like, the iron versus the 48 and which to choose. And now you don't really have to anymore. It's kind of cool that you can have both. You can do an iron 883 if you want, or you can do an iron 1200. And I really like the fact that they're doing the nod to the older style. That's pretty cool. But those are just kind of my thoughts on the new releases. Like I said, we're going to be test riding them as soon as possible, as soon as they have them ready up at Orlando Harley. Look out for those test ride videos coming very soon. But yeah, if you guys want to be kept in the loop of those test ride videos, or pretty much any other videos that I put up on here, be sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. You guys let me know what you think about the new models. You know, like, do you guys like them? Do you like the styling? You know, do you like kind of the changes that they've made? Do you like that they've put a freaking 1200 engine finally? Man, people have been asking for it for a while. But yeah, do you like that they put a 1200 engine in an iron? Like, that's freaking great. So I posted up some pictures, and one of the people commented, they were like, damn it, now I have to upgrade my iron to a 1200 kit to keep up with the new irons. So that's kind of funny to think about. So people are gonna have to try and keep up. What, really? Really? You're just gonna drive in the wrong lane till you get all the way up there? Man, people today. This is like the nicer part of town. Aren't you supposed to be responsible? Guess not. Anyways, yeah, you guys leave me your thoughts. Drop your thoughts in the comments down below. If you guys did enjoy the video, be sure to hit the like button. Like I was saying, if you guys aren't subscribed already, be sure to hit the subscribe button as well. Yeah, and hit that bell icon so it sends you notifications. I guess I'll go ahead and wrap it up there. Man, I really don't want to stop riding this bike. It is so much fun. So yeah, this is Miss Blockhead's 48. I got this bike because I knew she was in need of an upgrade from her Rebel 250, rather 1987 Honda Rebel 250, and she's been loving this thing. Anyways, yeah, you guys post up your thoughts below. Until next time, y'all ride safe, stay vigilant. Man, these freaking drivers today. I'll catch y'all later. Deuces.